following video is to describe how to use an Automation Direct PLC with National Instruments Ethernet IP Industrial Communications Protocol on a PC and have those communicate together using I/O messaging, or otherwise known as implicit messaging. So the Automation Direct PLC is going to be the scanner. The PC that's going to have LabVIEW with the Ethernet IP industrial communication is going to be the adapter. So some of the things that we're going to be doing here first is I'm going to be configuring my Ethernet adapter port first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into and take a look at what I have available for Ethernet adapters. And when I take a look at adapter settings here, okay, I'm going to take my USB to Ethernet adapter and I'm going to plug that in. Okay, it's showing up here as Andy USB Ethernet adapter. It's something that I have renamed already. And the one thing that you're going to want to do with this is you want to make sure that it's going to be set up with a static IP address. So when you click on, right-click on that, you click on Properties. Then look for TCP IP version 4. Click on Properties. And then you want to click on this radio button here, use the following IP address, and I have already pre-selected it. I'm going to be using 192.168.3.20 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. So once that's all set up, you can click on OK, and you can close this up as well. Okay, now the next thing that you're going to want to do is you want to make sure that the firewall for that Ethernet adapter is turned off. So you want to run advanced firewall settings within Windows. So you want to go, when you want to run here is wf.msc. That will take me into the Windows firewall with advanced security. And in this window right here, at the bottom here, you're going to see that it says Windows Firewall Properties. You click on Windows Firewall Properties, and what we want to do is we want to do a customize connection here for the firewall for the domain profile, the private profile, and the public profile. So what you want to do is in each one of these tabs here, you want to click on the Customize button here. And I already have pre-selected this here where the Andy USB Ethernet adapter is deselected. Click on OK. You go into the private profile, click on the protected network connections and click on Customize. And you want to make sure again, Andy USB Ethernet adapter is unchecked. Click OK. And then under the public profile, click on the Customize button here. And again, make sure that the Andy USB Ethernet adapter is unchecked. Click on OK. Click on OK. And you can close this up. So we've gone through the proper steps of setting up the Ethernet port that I'm going to be using for this communication.